Well, hello there. This is a kit that I bought on Amazon, which is a battery for an iPhone 7 Plus. Yes, indeed, my phone is an old iPhone 7 Plus, and the battery was getting kind of weak. It would discharge in a matter of hours. If I did YouTubing on it or anything strenuous on the phone, it would really discharge quickly, maybe like 10% every 5 minutes. So I had to get a battery. Anyway, I bought this thing on Amazon, and I couldn't be happier with it. It comes with a suction cup, which I ended up losing today somewhere, and it has these tools in it too. And so they give you a really great magnetic screwdriver, which has 3 different tips, and you need all of these. You need a very fine, I don't know what this guy's called. It's a T, probably a T0 or T-1 or something tip. You need a pentalobe or I think pentalobe's wrong. You need like a 3-sided tip, and you need a very small Phillips tip to get the phone apart. There's 2 screws at the bottom of an iPhone 7. Those come out first. Then you take this guy here called then I got a hairdryer, and I took a hairdryer to the bottom of my phone. And then once you hairdryer the bottom of your phone, you get it almost too hot to touch. You take the suction cup, and you can suction cup it near the button in the bottom. You put your suction cup on the glass, and you pull up on the phone until it comes up a bit, creeps up a bit toward the button, toward the bottom. And then you can put this thing called a spludger in there and work it all the way around both sides of the phone, being careful that on the right side of the phone are some video cords, so you want to be careful. And then the top of the phone basically has catches, so it really wants to pull down about 1 millimeter, and then you can open it like a book. So I followed some YouTube videos, and it worked out really, really well. I never ended up using this little dude here, whatever this thing is. Never used that. Never used this guitar pick thing at all. But these 3 were really essential. There's a couple of brackets you got to remove in the phone, and oddly enough, you have to pull these little elastic adhesive strips out to make the battery release. It's really ingenious how they put the phone together. Anyway, this I'm really pleased with. This is like 20 bucks on Amazon. It was the cat's meow. I mean, I am just so happy with this thing. So now I have like a 4000, I'm not sure what they rate the batteries as, but a 4000 that beats I guess I had like a 2900 in here. So, well, they say it's pretty good. Let's see what was in here. Little parts were in here. Of course, with one hand, I can never get anything open. Wow. Oh, there we go. It says open right there. That's the problem. The wrong end. It opens right up. This little box is really cute. Anyway, once you're in here, I'm not sure what that was for. I never used that. I hope it doesn't matter, but didn't use that. Everything else was, they had a battery parked in here, they had these tools in here, and this stuff really worked out very, very well. So I probably should have taken a video of how I did this, but there are people with much better video skills than I have that make these iPhone teardown videos and battery replacement. I'm going to show you the kit that I bought that I'm really happy with on Amazon, and they have a little card here. So take note of this card, and you can use these, you can use those codes to find access to these batteries. And the 7. I'm not sure why 7 Plus isn't on here, but anyway, this will get you in the right ballpark. Just take a picture of your YouTube screen and pick your phone out from these codes and grab one of those codes, and you'll get to the website and you can buy one of these battery kits. I'm really happy with it. Anyway, take care. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your phone. Have a great day.